Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing Fortnite Ray Tracing On versus Off on RTX. When Ray Tracing is enabled on Fortnite PC or RTX GPUs, DirectX 12, you get enhancement in reflections, shadows, which get more accurate, dynamic, that soften with distance and respond to lighting. Also ambient occlusion, more precise shading where surfaces meet corners or creases, giving more depth, and better indirect lighting, meaning light bouncing and environmental lighting is more realistic. Fortnite also supports DLSS and NVIDIA's AI upscaling to help regroup or recoup performance when using ray tracing. Additionally, NVIDIA Reflex integration helps reduce input latency, which matters in fast-paced games. So turning ray tracing on has a noticeable cost in FPS. The exact drop depends on your GPU, resolution, and what level of RT settings you're using, low, medium, or high, but you choose whatever you want, because users on forums have reported that with RT turned on in Fortnite, lightning and reflections look much better, but the drop in frame rate is significant unless DLSS is used or settings are turned down. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.